This is your reading for today. Your cards are Queen of Cups and the Moon. Your advice right now is to sit back in a place of peace and ease and do nothing, because you can really do nothing. Whether you understand or not, you can really do nothing in this situation. So you may be struggling to do things and you may be thinking too much, but you can really do nothing. And this is the perspective change that is required for you. See, you are somebody who is a very, very empathetic person. Okay. You understand things people don't say. You pick up on feelings which people, perhaps even they don't understand. And because of that, you are more troubled because you can understand more. But you have to distance yourself from the situation, and you have to understand that if you can see more doesn't mean you have to do more. If you can understand more doesn't mean that you have to take it like a burden on yourself and you are feeling so heavy. There's such a burden on your shoulders and there is so much grief in your heart and there are so many questions in your mind that you can hardly lift your face up and really look at the clarity because you're so burdened. But ask yourself, ask the right questions. If I can feel more, if I can understand more, do I have to do more? The answer is no. You have to do, feel, understand only what is yours, only the things that you have to do. You don't have to do it for the other people. As soon as you make this perspective change and just be at peace and do nothing, because you can't do anything, you will see your power rising. Okay, you will see yourself stepping in a place of more stability, and not just in your internal space. You will see that the universe is changing and shifting things around you. It is changing. The wheel of samsara is turning. It is changing around you, and it is going to bring you to a place where you have to make a big decision, which is why you are being asked to not be that empathetic person but the sympathetic person, and just sit back and understand the situation from a place of peace and do nothing, because the universe is doing a few things for you and it is going to bring you to a place of choice. But you will be able to make the right choice that you deserve is when you stop this extra feeling, extra understanding, and then thinking I need to do extra. Then only you will be able to make the correct choice, because a very big choice is coming to you. Now, when this choice comes to you, it will bring a burst of clarity into your world, the rewards of your hard work. What do you have to do? When this choice comes, understand, is this situation, or are these people coming back to me because they really see me as I am? Or are they coming back to me because they are attracted by my healing light now that I am so independent? Are they coming back because they are attracted by that? Make this distinction and understand this distinction.